Good morning to everyone. Today we have to do the several questions. So let's start it. The first question is estimate the value of these three numbers that are written with addition sign to the nearest 10,000. Means my question is I want to estimate this number to nearest 10,000. But number is not given to me. Three numbers different given to me with addition sign. First step is firstly I want what this number is. Then I can able to convert it into estimated sum, or I can convert it to estimated 10,000. Get it? So that means my first step is firstly I want to know which number they want to say to estimate to nearest to 10,000. So that means firstly we have to calculate the actual sum. So first step is write it here, actual sum. Calculate it one by one, write the statement and then calculate it. 3, 1, 5, 2, 8. Here 5, 4, 3, 8, 2, 6, 3. Then again 5, 4, 8, 5, 2, 7, 4, 1, 6 and 2. So I have written the statement. So the first step is simple. We have to just add it. 8, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 1, 11, 15, 1, 16, 2, 2, 4, 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is my answer. I have calculated this with addition sign. So this is my answer. And it is written now we have to calculate this actual sum to nearest to 10,000. So calculate it, estimated sum to nearest 10,000. 10,000 written, na? Estimated sum of 21738666619 to nearest 10,000. See, in 10,000, 4 zeros are there. So that means I have to underline the last 4 digit. And the first underlined digit is 6, means greater than 5. That means I have to add 1 to the previous digit. So my answer is 21738. Here 7, and in place of underlined digits I have to write zeros only. So that means 4 zeros are there. Now put the comma according to Indian system, because see here the commas are there according to Indian system. So that means in the answer also we have to put the comma according to Indian system. So our question is done. Now see the next question. The next question is, in a bookshop there were 605863 books, out of which this much books were sold. About how many books are left in the bookshop? So firstly about this thing, the question is still now this, that there are number of books given to us in a shop and this much books are sold. So we want to calculate how much books are left in the shop. So that is very easy question. We have to just subtract it. So total number of books in bookshop, total number of books in a shop, that is given to me 605863. Number of books sold, that given to me 4842. And books left, that means we have to subtract it. Simple subtraction is there. You people can able to do 3 minus 2 1, 6 minus 4 2, 8 minus 8 0, 5 minus 4 1, 0, 6. That means this is my answer. Now read the next line. Next line is estimate to nearest 100. Actually this 0 by mistake written by me. Estimate to nearest 100. I want to estimate the books left to nearest 100. So estimate it. Estimate what number we get. This number 601021 to nearest 100 is equal to Now see, in 100 two zeros are there, so that means these two digits we have to underline. Get it? So here the first underlined digit is 2, that is less than 5, so nothing is to be done, just in place of underlined digits we have to write 0. So that means my answer is here, firstly 0 is written, so that is not our fault, so that means this is my answer. And at the end you have to write here also, in the answer you have to write books. How many books left? This much books left. Here commas are also required. So here the estimated value of this is this. Okay, now see the next question. A cold drink manufacturer company packed 652 boxes with cold drink. Means there is a one company, and in that company boxes are there of cold drink, and they have prepared 652 boxes. Means I made here only 3, but you can think that there are 652 boxes of similar kind. If each box contain 245 bottles, means in each box 245 bottles are there. Means if I can count na, in this box 245 bottles are there. Now then estimate the total number of bottles to nearest tens. Means I want to estimate the total number of bottles. Estimate word, leave it. Firstly we want to calculate how many total number of bottles are there in these boxes, then we can talk about the estimated value. Firstly we should want to know how many bottles are there. So you people will tell me that we have to, what we can do so that we can get the answer. So firstly write it here. Total number of boxes, total number of boxes of cold drink. How many boxes are given to me? 652 boxes. So write it here, 652 boxes. In one box, total number of bottles is equal to 245. Now I want to know total number of bottles in 652 boxes. Total number of bottles in 652 boxes. Now see, if in one box 10 bottles are there, okay, let us say here 6 I can able to make, let us say 6 bottles are there. In one box 6 bottles are there. Get it? And I have 3 such boxes. So how many bottles are there in all these 3 boxes? 18, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18. But we can't able to add 652 boxes. So we have to search any other alternative. So that is, I can, 18 answer I want na, 6 multiply by 3 also 18. So that means in this case we have to multiply. So here also the case is similar. Here also we have to multiply because 652 boxes are there, and in one box 245 bottles are there. I want how many bottles are there in 652 boxes. Get it? So that means simply I have to multiply. And trust me, when you people can multiply it, you people will get the answer 159,740. Get it? You people will get this much answer, this much bottles. Now the next is estimate the total number of bottles to nearest 10. So you can write it here fully, estimated value to nearest 10. Now see, nearest 10 means I want to underline only the last digit. Here the last digit is 0. That is also less than 5. So nothing is to be done. In place of underlined digit we have to write 0. But here 0 is firstly written. So that means the same is the answer. So write it. And our question is done.